presence of the Dome of the Rock on the center portion of the Temple Mount behind me is the emblem of the long supernatural struggle for control of God's holy mountain. He said in Psalm 132, verses 13 and 14, that he has chosen this place, and here is where he will dwell forever. The fallen realm has tried to make God a liar for many, many centuries, going back to the 7th century and the Muslim presence here on the Temple Mount. And as I said in a previous video, the conflict over control of this mountain, currently between Muslim, Christian, and Jew, and sadly, as much of it religious or political as it is religious belief, is ultimately about the theopolitics and what's happening in the spirit realm. Again, ultimately, the end will come with the Battle of Armageddon, the control for the Har Moed, the Mount of Assembly.